Woodworking can be a lot of fun, but it's important to stay safe, especially when it comes to inhaling sawdust. Sawdust can contain harmful toxins that can damage your lungs over time. That's why it's important to wear a good dust mask whenever you're working with wood. In this video, we'll be reviewing a few of the best dust masks on the market and giving you some tips on how to choose the right mask for your needs. Number 1. Basecamp M Plus Dust Mask. The mask is made of high-quality mesh materials that are 11.3% more breathable than other masks. The mask uses a 6-layer filter to block out dust, pollen, allergens, odors, pollutants, and other airborne particles. It has a hook and loop closure system that makes it easy to adjust the fit. The mask has an adjustable nose clip that helps to reduce fogging of glasses. Number 2. Honeywell RWS-54001 Disposable Dust Mask. This disposable dust mask is made from a blend of 75% cotton, 15% nylon, and 10% wool. This mask is designed to provide comfortable protection against non-toxic dust, pollen, mold, dander, and common airborne irritants. It's an excellent choice for tasks like woodworking, gardening, or cleaning. Number 3. FIGHTECH Extra Active Carbon Dust Mask. One of the standout features of the FIGHTECH dust mask is its exceptional comfort. Made from elastic material, it's fully adjustable to fit most head types. That means no more uncomfortable tugging or slipping, even during extended wear. It's equipped with two one-way discharge valves that effectively reduce heat buildup inside the mask, keeping you cool and comfortable. Number 4. RZ Mask M2 Reusable Dust Mask. It comes with one mask, two F1 filters, and a handy storage bag, making it a complete package ready for action. It's incredibly lightweight and breathable, ensuring comfort even during long hours of wear. No more feeling suffocated when you're out and about. The RZ Mask M2 boasts replaceable active carbon filters, providing you with an impressive 99.9% filtration efficiency. Number 5. 3M 8511 Reusable Dust Mask. This mask is NIOSH approved, ensuring it offers at least 95% filtration efficiency against certain non-oil-based particles like dust. That means it's got your back in those dusty situations. The M nose clip adjusts easily, providing a custom and secure seal while minimizing discomfort. This mask features highly charged microfibers that enhance the capture of airborne particles while allowing you to breathe more easily. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you learn more about the best dust masks for woodworking. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to Tools Query for more helpful videos about tools and DIY projects.